Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is Simple Stamping Day. And I want to show you a fast, easy Christmas card you can do with the stamp set Snow Wonder. It's in the August to December Stampin' Up mini catalog, and this is going to take you less time than it would be to stamp this as in mail. What you're going to need, of course, you're going to need Snow Wonder. Let's bring this up so you can see the whole thing. So you're going to need Snow Wonder. You're going to need Smoky Slate, Memento Black. You're going to need a very vanilla note card. And that's it. Stamps, ink, and paper. You're going to ink up the snowman with the Smoky Slate. Now, if you want to add a little color, you could do this in Memento Black and then just color the scarf and the hat. But I think it looks really great in Smoky Slate, almost like a real snowman, especially on the very vanilla. And then with Memento Black, you're going to ink up the saying. I gotta get it right. I've got a couple sayings on here. And you're just going to stamp that. Just like that. Christmas wishes and joyful greetings. And you have a finished card. I told you it took you less than 2 minutes. It'll take you longer time to get the stamp on the envelope. You can do also, it has a really great snowflake or wreath that if you want to stamp on the envelope, you can also. So remember, I appreciate it if you would purchase all your Stampin' Up products from me. Follow me on YouTube, and everything you need to know about making this card is below. Thanks for visiting, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.